Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make cream spinach, but not just any cream spinach, the type of creamy, gooey spinach that's often found at steakhouses. And it's a cream spinach that you can make easily at home, just requires a few ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. I like to use fresh spinach, but you can also use frozen spinach as well. Just get the chopped variety. It may look like a lot of spinach here, but it'll cook down quite a bit, and that should take about 3 to 4 minutes. To avoid ending up with watery spinach, I like to first press the water out of the spinach in a colander, and then I'll use paper towel and squeeze out any remaining water as much as possible. Let the sauce cook for a few minutes, and then you can add the spinach into it. Stir the spinach in well, and then you can add the Parmesan cheese, and continue cooking until that's melted. One thing that's very important, always taste your cooking. Oh wow, that is delicious. Well, I'm going to sit down now and have my cream spinach with a nice steak. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.